How to create a free event in the Paysera Tickets Platform. In order to create an event, go to tickets.paysera.com and choose your language and your country. Then press on Manage Events. You can create a free event even if you don't have a Paysera account. So if you don't have it, just log in with your Facebook or Google account. Select your account. And once you are in, review our terms and conditions and agree with them to continue. To start creating an event, press Create Event. First, fill out the basic information about the event. Then type in the name that will be visible to the event goers. Choose the country and the location of your event. You can display it on the map if needed, or if it's an online event, don't forget to indicate that too. Then choose the date and time of your event. If you're unsure of the specific date, or if the event occurs regularly like every Friday, you have the option to display an alternative date. Now add the description of your event. Add the organizer of the event and their contact details. Then select the business code type and type in the code. Select the category of your event. Even if the event is free, you should select the currency. Optionally, add the event tags to describe your event and find the right audience. Choose if you want your event to be visible to everyone or accessible with the link only. Finally, add an eye-catching image to represent your event and don't forget to press Save. After you save the information, move on to the Tickets part in the menu on top. Type in your ticket name and leave the price section empty if your event is free. That's it. You can review additional available fields like the registration of the participants if needed. Otherwise, your event is successfully created and you should see it on the Paysera Tickets website. Have any questions? Contact our support team via phone or email, or look for answers on support.paysera.com. Thank you for using Paysera.